Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is Schneider electric Lisse screwless Deco. This is double shaver socket, dual voltage. This is 115 voltage and this one is 230 voltage with black insert. This is what we have here. So you put a gadget for your hair dryer, shaver, and so many things to go with it. Just need to put the gadget you want to use for it and it will start to work. This is Schneider electric Lisse screwless Deco double shaver socket. I ordered this online and fitted it and I like it. This shaver, you can put any of your gadget. This one is electric comb. Just need to plug it in, push it in, it's plugged in, then you switch this on. So this is how it works. You just need to put the gadget you want to use into the shave socket and it will start, switch it on and it will start to work. So this is how this works. Thank you.